We all have dreams, aspirations that dance in our minds, whispering promises of a brighter future. But dreams often remain elusive, like wisps of smoke without a structured path. This is where goal setting becomes the bridge to your envisioned future. Setting goals is like charting a course for a ship. Without a plan, the ship will drift aimlessly, at the mercy of the currents. Similarly, without goals, our lives can lack direction. Successful individuals share a common trait: clearly defined goals. These goals act as a compass, providing direction and motivation. They provide a roadmap, guiding decisions and actions. By setting goals, we transform vague desires into concrete targets. We empower ourselves to take control of our lives. The act of setting goals is the first step towards turning dreams into reality. Imagine saying, "I want to be successful." What does successful even mean? Vague goals lead to vague results. Instead of "I want to be successful," aim for "I want to start my own online business selling handmade jewelry within the next year." The second goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound or SMART. Writing down your goals is crucial. Remember, a clearly defined goal is the first step towards making it a reality. A grand goal can feel overwhelming, like climbing a mountain, but every mountain is conquered one step at a time. The same principle applies to achieving any goal. We break it down into smaller, manageable steps, making the journey less daunting and more achievable. Imagine your goal is to write a novel. Instead of focusing on the enormity of the entire book, break it down. Set smaller goals like writing a chapter outline, then a chapter per week, and so on. Each small victory fuels your motivation, propelling you towards the summit. Take your goal and divide it into smaller tasks. These tasks should be concrete and actionable. Instead of learn to play the guitar, aim for practice guitar for 30 minutes daily, or learn 3 new chords this week. These smaller steps provide a clear roadmap guiding you through the journey. They make the process less intimidating and more manageable, increasing your chances of success. Remember, every small step forward contributes to the ultimate achievement of your goal. The time is now. Set realistic deadlines. Without a deadline, a goal is merely a wish. Deadlines instill a sense of urgency, propelling us to take action. But these deadlines must be realistic, aligning with our capabilities and resources. Setting unrealistic deadlines can lead to frustration and discouragement. It's essential to assess the scope of the goal and allocate sufficient time for its completion. Consider potential obstacles and factor them into your timeline. Using a calendar or planner can be invaluable. Mark your deadlines and break down the work into manageable chunks. This visual representation keeps you organized and on track. Remember, deadlines are not meant to overwhelm you but to empower you. They provide a framework for action, ensuring consistent progress towards your goals. Setting realistic deadlines is a crucial step towards turning aspirations into achievements. Stay on track, monitor, reflect, and adapt. The journey towards achieving a goal is rarely linear. There will be detours, roadblocks, and unexpected challenges along the way. That's why it's crucial to regularly monitor your progress, reflect on your journey, and make adjustments as needed. Think of it like sailing a ship. The initial course is set, but the captain constantly monitors the wind, currents, and any obstacles, adjusting the sails and direction as needed to stay on course. Similarly, we must be flexible in our approach to goal achievement. Regularly review your progress. Are you on track to meet your deadlines? Are there any unforeseen obstacles? Don't be afraid to adjust your plan or timeline if needed. Flexibility is key. Reflection is equally important. Take time to celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small. What lessons have you learned along the way? How can you apply these learnings to future goals? By regularly monitoring, reflecting, and adapting, you ensure that you stay on course towards achieving your goals. Embrace the journey. Start achieving your goals today. Goal setting is not a one-time activity, but an ongoing process. It's about actively shaping our lives and striving towards our full potential. The journey itself is just as important as the destination. Start today. Don't wait for the perfect time or circumstance. Begin with a small, achievable goal. Experience the empowering feeling of setting your mind to something and achieving it. Remember, setbacks are a part of the process. Don't let them discourage you. View them as opportunities for growth and learning. Perseverance is key. Embrace the journey of goal setting. It's a journey of self-discovery, growth, and fulfillment. By setting clear goals, taking consistent action, and adapting along the way, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. The power to transform your dreams into reality lies within you. Start today and embrace the incredible journey of achieving your goals.